What happens if I want to rent a car when I have a DWI conviction in New York? Attorney Eric Sachs explains that. That is a big problem for a lot of people in the first year of their conviction, because if they are required to have an interlock device, at least in New York on a New York license, there is an indication that you need to have an interlock. An interlock is not only in every car that you own, but it is in any car that you drive. So if you rent a car or you borrow a car, it needs to have the interlock with that breath device in the car. When you go to rent a car, if the person does not know what that means and they still rent you a car and you get pulled over, the police officer will see that you are driving without the interlock device and you will get arrested for that. If it does not indicate it on the license itself, you probably will be able to rent the car because nobody would know to stop you. Once you operate a car that does not have the breath device in it, that can be a problem. Once the interlock goes away, then if the renting agency does not ask you about this information, you will be able to rent the car. Your insurance rates are involved in the insurance company and whether or not you take the rental car insurance or you piggyback it with your current insurance. They need to know. Otherwise, you run the risk of not having coverage if something happens. For a free phone consultation, contact Attorney Eric Sachs in New York at 516-679-0400 or visit his website at www.esaxlaw.com.